kiddo?
62-year-old Flory, part 2. I hope you enjoyed part 1. If you haven't, go back and check it out. Remember, this is Flory, 40 years of pain, neck and shoulder pain. She's seen tons of chiropractors, all of which could not adjust her. We even worked on her posture as she drove. Check this video out. I hope you enjoy it. We had a lot of fun. Woo!
It just seems like when I adjust her, her skirt flies up. I'm with Flory. She went to see her daughter up at UCSB, which is about, I don't know, 2.5 hour drive, 2.5 hour drive. And she generally hates driving, and she did some of the instructions I told her to do, prepare, change of positions, relax in the car, and she said she had a much, what?
Yeah, a really good drive.
So that's a home run, and she got a little lazy on a few things. You see the way she sleeps. Oh my God, it's horrible. But we're going to change that all this week, and this is her first Atlas adjustment. How scared are you of this adjustment?
Really?
3. She thinks the other adjustments hurt, and the Atlas is more important, so it's going to hurt 3 times the other adjustments. That's what she said to me. So she's talking herself into 3 times the amount of pain.
Okay.
3 times the amount of pain. So we're going right off the mastoid process here. She can feel this right in here. That's a really big spasm right here. So we're going to go right into the Atlas. And so we have this, kiddo. Did you stomp your feet for dramatic sense, or did you do that just involuntarily?
Just involuntarily.
Yeah. How was that? Was it triple the pain?
No, actually, the first adjustment was more painful.
Gotcha. So not as bad.
Not as bad.
So we're going to come right off the mastoid process right here, guys. And it's the big bone right under your ear. I'm going to slide right off it. Just inferior to it is the Atlas, which is called the lateral mass. Make contact with my my finger. Lateral finger. We're going to come right underneath it. As we bring the head towards me, you can feel that's really restricted. She doesn't want to come this way. So we're going to take our time. There we go.
Oh.
Woo. Ooh. You didn't hear a big crack there, but she can tell you.
No, I felt it.
Something moved.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, so you guys see that? Okay. We looked at her x-rays, not nearly as bad as I thought they were. So 42 years of pain, and the chiropractor couldn't help her. Shame on you guys.
We have a 7mm right imbalance and an 11-degree scoliosis. Here we have a gigantic left hip arthrosis, 16mm imbalance. Here is severe neck reversal with arthritis. Here we have L4, L5, and L5S1 significant arthritis.
I like how you're taking this breathing and making you relax with it. That's exactly what you want to do. Okay, now we're going to adjust your shoulders here, guys. Okay. Good. 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 Adjust your neck up here. Okay. Drop your head to the right, please. Good. That's it. Now ape hands, ape hands. There you go. Have more ape hands. Good. There you go. Okay?
Yeah.
Ape hands.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to push right in here. It's going to hurt pretty good in here. Just relax as best you can. Good. Good. Whew. That actually moved a little bit on her. Good.
Oh.
You okay?
Yeah, that hurts.
Okay. So we're going to do our first thoracic adjustment today. And we're going to loosen up her upper back so that we can get this whole neck relaxed. Okay, go ahead and breathe in for me. And let it out. Good. You okay?
Yes.
Painful a little bit?
Oh, yeah. Oh, good, yeah.
Okay. One more here. Breathe in. And out. Perfect. How'd you like those clavicle adjustments yesterday?
They were painful.
Like yeah. So we always do things in 2 here, guys, because the first one loosens things up. She's a little stressed from it, and so she doesn't let me have the good adjustment. So we're going to do one more time to get this thing set. She hates this because it's painful. One more time. Good. Wow. Still doesn't want to go, but good. There we go. That one went. You hear that one?
Yes.
Yeah, good, perfect. We're going to change your sleep tonight, and that's going to change a lot of this stuff, hopefully. Good.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to move Flory's car to an open spot so we can train her how to drive in good posture. Remember, it's not just about treating and adjusting, it's also about changing bad habits, and this is a bad one, guys. Check it out. Okay, any other spots you do? Any other things you do?
All right, here.
Good, and show me the other position you used to do. The angry position. Your angry position. How angry are you here? Why don't you tell us how you're doing after 2 weeks?
First of all, I wasn't supposed to do a 2-week program, but halfway through it last week, I realized that I need to take time and do this for me, for my health. I feel 100% better from the first day. I felt really good. Imagine coming here for 2 weeks.
Neck pain and left shoulder pain. I even forgot what you had. All this.
It was left.
It was left. Yeah, that's right.
I haven't felt that since the first adjustment.
Yeah.
The neck pain is gone.
Mid back pain. She had some this morning. Overall, how much better is that?
It's gone.
It's gone too?
I don't feel it.
How about your allergies?
It comes and goes, but I didn't have it for this 2 weeks.
Okay. Is that unusual or is that normal? What? That can happen?
I don't know. We'll see.
Every morning you have sinus problems.
I don't have it. It's, it's gone.
How about constipation? 3 to 4 times a week. You barely went before. You went every other day. She was full of shit.
I'm very regular. I think it's just...
You would say it's the eyes. The eyes. The eyes are brown.
No.
They'd be blue if she got that shit out of her.
No, it's all regular. Too regular. Yeah.
And how many years you had a problem with constipation?
For a long time. I can't even count.
Okay. Did I do anything? Did I stick my finger up your butt at all? No?
No.
So what'd I do?
Just my neck.
Just your neck, exactly. So when you guys don't believe it, but you know something, we get people going poopy here.
Sleep has been very, very good.
And she was somebody up all the time, frequent urination all the time? Tell us
I
about all
forgot
this.
about that. Yeah, I don't even do that anymore. I do it closer to when I wake up, but I don't wake up.
And she was up all the time, peeing, right? Anxiety and depression. Any change in the anxiety?
I don't feel as anxious anymore. I just
Life is a little better, right?
Yeah.
Life's a little better. How's the brain fog?
I think it's pretty good now. I remember a lot of things that I shouldn't be remembering, but that's part of the process.
If you scale back to the first video on this, you can hear her stuttering when I asked her a question. She took like 5 extra seconds to say something to conjure it up.
Right.
So I can hear her brain fog's better. Any change in lightheadedness, vertigo, that kind of stuff?
None this past couple of weeks. Actually, to tell you the truth, I thought I wouldn't enjoy it as much, but I can't believe it's my last day. I want to stay another week.
Because of me or the other people out there?
It's a combination of everybody. It is, of course, you. Yeah. And not only is he a great chiropractor, he's also a good coach.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
She wouldn't have said that last week.
No, not at all. I learned a lot from this past couple of weeks. So
she'll be back.
I'll be back. So please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification button.
Wow, look at her. And she has a channel too. You want to share your channel?
Intuitive Mom Healer. Yeah. I'll get back on it. I stopped for a little bit, but now
she has a YouTube channel.
I feel
so
better.
Say hi to her on there. And be sweet. She's a really sweet lady.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's get her adjusted. You're nice and relaxed right now. Way relaxed. I did tons of adjustments on her, but the C5 seems to be the big one. Just went one level down. Here's C4 right there. And she loved it this morning. Yeah. It just seems like when I adjust her skirt flies up. I have no idea why, but it does every time. The interesting about this adjustment for you is that all the other ones, you have more boisterous responses, more dramatic changes, I mean more pain or whatever it is. And you still have it on this one, but a little less. It's kind of interesting. Yeah. Yeah. She's holding back on the words, the verbiage that she likes to spew in here, but definitely I think it's easier. Those adjustments are
definitely
easier than the other ones I do, and she likes them. She really responded well to this one. Take a look at the camera, open your eyes, put your hand up, say goodbye.
Bye.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.